Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change battery in Infiniti QX80 key fob, full guide. Start by locating the seam on the fob and use a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the case along the seam. Remove the old CR2032 battery with care and note its orientation. Insert the new CR2032 battery positive side up, align the case halves, and press them together until they click securely. Once the case begins to separate, continue slowly around the edge while watching for tiny clips that hold the halves together. Keep fingers clear of the circuit board to prevent bending or static damage as you open the fob. Note the battery orientation and any foam or rubber pads so you can reassemble them in the same positions. This prevents misalignment and ensures buttons function properly after you replace the battery and close the case. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car maintenance tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free music while you work, and it pairs great with garage projects. I placed a link and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Place the new CR2032 battery into the holder gently, making sure the positive side matches the original orientation. Press each button briefly to confirm the battery powers the circuit and that the LED or response is present. If the fob does not respond, recheck the battery seating and contacts for debris or corrosion. Once confirmed, align the case halves and press firmly until you hear the clips click and the fob feels sealed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.